Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to internet. So let's start. I will give you some tips that can help you to solve this. So the first tip, well, if you are on Safari and it says that it can be open because you don't have internet, what I recommend you is to close the app. So just swipe up and then try to open again Safari. If this is not working, the other tip I give you is going to settings. Here on settings, just go to Wi-Fi and you have to check if Wi-Fi is working correctly. If your Wi-Fi is working correctly, well, try to open again Safari. But in case that you have another option of Wi-Fi, try to connect to the other Wi-Fi and check if you also can open Safari. The other tip and the last one is going to settings again and just scroll down and just go to Safari app here and you have to check if everything is okay, and then just swipe up a little bit and let's go to cellular, okay, here, and then just scroll down and check the app. In this case, if Safari is disactivated, I recommend you to activate in case that you have deactivated the option. So guys, I hope one of these tips helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to these videos.